Hi guys, welcome to episode 2. Episode 2 will about how to make an account and how to customize it. So, what we'll start with is going to join Scratch and use a username. So I'll choose my username. Then I'll use the password. Then what I will do is go next. Then it'll show what country do you live in. I'll choose a random country. Okay. Then I go next. Then I'll show this one. I also for this video I'll just go random. And then I'll say this. I'll just choose this one. Then you have to go next. And I'll show what's your email. I'll censor this because I don't want to leak it. So I'll just enter it in. Then a captcha will pop up. So I'll just do it. Then boom. Oh, okay, there's one more. Okay, let's see, welcome to Scratch. Then you can now start exploring. Want to share and comment? Click the link we sent to this. I'm also going to censor this. Okay, now you're in Scratch. So what you have to do is you have to confirm your email. Censor me doing it. Anyway, watch this video. Okay, after accepting it, I can finally use Scratch. So you can go to Profile, then Customize things. So what we'll customize is the profile picture. There. And that's how you make an account on Scratch. For the next video, I'll show the basics of how to make a game in Scratch.